Peace. Good day, good people, and welcome to Conscious Crusades YouTube page, where our mantra is movement in motion is like lotion for the muscles and the joints. So let's get started by coming into mountain pose. Inhaling the arms up, engaging at my thumbs, and I exhale and fold. Releasing tension in the neck, inhaling the flat back, plant the hands, and I'm going to step back to plank. Lower the low push-up, and inhale into upward facing dog with my knees lifted. Transition down dog. Since it's the first down facing dog, I'm going to shake my head gently, yes and no. I'm going to alternate bending my knees, pushing my hips high. It's called walking your dog. Inhaling up on the both toes, exhaling, sending my hips high. Let's take this first foot. Step it in between the hands, drop that back knee, uncurl the back toe, lift your torso, send your pelvis down and forward, then flex those toes. Bend the knee and straighten it. This is targeting the front of the hip and also the hamstring. Stay here breathing for a few breaths. And go back to the hamstring stretch for a few breaths. Foot forward, pick up that back knee, step the foot back, downward facing dog. Go to the other side, step this front foot forward, make sure the knee is over the ankle, drop the back knee, lift your torso. Inhale, exhale, send your pelvis forward. Then target the hamstring. Send the pelvis forward. Target the hamstring. And then send the pelvis forward 3 or 4 times. Then remain here for a few breaths. Every time you exhale, send your pelvis down and forward. And then the hamstring stretch. Fingertips are right up under the shoulders to start. But if your hamstring's open, you can walk your hands out to the sides or even forward. Flexing the toes on that extended leg for a few breaths. Step on the accelerator. Pick that back knee up. Back to downward facing dog. Inhale up on your tippy toes. Tuck the chin into the chest and roll forward into plank. How's about a side plank? Place the first hand right below the mat on your face and spiral to the pinky side of that foot. And here are the variations. The knee can be down. You can stagger the feet one foot in front of the other, or you can stack the feet on top of each other, or you can lift. And sometimes lifting, you may lose balance, like I just did. Decided to not lift. And we'll transition to the other side. Again, you want to place the hand on the mat below your face, spiral to the pinky side of that foot. Then your variations, knee can be down. You can stagger the feet, one in front of the other. Or you can stack the feet on top of each other. Or you can lift a leg, 5-pointed star. I'm a little better on this side. Again, each side may be different. But a few breaths. And the exit out, frame the ear and lower the top hand down. Low push-up. Inhale, upward facing dog. Transition on the exhale to down dog. Tuck your chin to the chest and roll forward in the plank. Come on down to your pelvis and the tops of your feet. Come onto your finger pads, elbow going toward the ceiling. Lift your torso, and then track your chin beyond your shoulders. Lift the torso, track your chin beyond the opposite shoulder. Lift the torso, back to the first side. This is a great shoulder stretch. Lift the torso, take it to the opposite side. Do 2 or 3 of those on each side. And then go ahead and just lower down. Slide your palms back under your elbows. Make my way to child's pose. Rocking side to side. coming up onto my finger pads, activating my scapula, compressing and spreading my scapula while I'm in child's pose. Making my way to table. Sit my glutes on my heels. Sit the glutes off to one side. Swing my legs around front. Make my way onto my back. Little bridge pulses. Yeah, engaging the soles of my feet, lifting my pelvis, rolling onto my shoulders 3, 4, 5 times. And then I can either clasp my hands up under me in bridge, or I can grab my ankles. My chest chases my chin, but my chin runs away from my chest. Think of this as a back bend. 4 to 5 breaths. To exit, release the hands, come up on your tippy toes, pelvis high, slowly lower down. And then let's hug our knees into our bodies. Rolling the ankles, why not? Making big circles in all directions with your ankles. Rocking from side to side. I'm gonna grab this right knee, roll over onto my left hip, and then I'm gonna circle overhead and bring my right arm over to my right side, looking right. Recline twist. Take me 3, 4, 5 breaths. Bringing my arm back around and making my way over onto my back. Opposite leg in. Bring that knee into my armpit and chest. And then roll over onto my right hip. Track my left arm all the way overhead. And reach and look left. Opposite side. Think about lengthening your spine here and also lengthening the neck. See if you can surrender on the exhale. Same thing. 3, 4, 5 breaths. Take the arm back overhead. Make my way onto my back. Up. Little Astra walking past. Little happy baby. Lower back, spine, the back of your head is on the mat. Quads right next to your rib cage. Pull your knees into your armpits. Soles of your feet are facing the ceiling. You can rock from side to side. Those are the cues for happy baby. And when I drive my lower back toward the mat, that's when I really activate this yoga pose. Big toes touch, knees wide, and begin to rock. Create enough momentum to rock up into seated. And I think that's about it for today. So I'm going to sit on the block, come to a comfortable cross-legged position on the block, and close this sequence out. Again, nothing crazy. Inhaling the shoulders up to the ears and rolling them down the back. And just focusing on some mindful breath work. Inhaling and exhaling. Surrendering. Inhaling the arms up, my palms touch. And I'm going to lower my hands to heart center. I'm going to press my thumbs into my sternum to lift my shoulders and relax them and relax my elbows. Peace. So, hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also please, please, please give me feedback. All right? Have a good one. Peace.